Yes, now we are discussing about leather and rubber business ideas. In that today we are discussing about canvas shoes manufacturing. Canvas shoe production involves designing of the upper and inner parts, cutting off the canvas to fit, and assembling of the various parts. You can carry out the insole fixing and trimming, upper edge binding, bottom gluing in the finishing section. And production. Canvas shoe production involves designing of the upper and inner parts, cutting of the canvas to fit, and assembling of the various parts. The insole fixing and trimming upper edge binding, trimming upper edge binding, bottom gluing are carried out in the finishing section. The environmental impact of canvas shoe production is negligible. And next point is canvas shoes. Canvas shoes are casual wear extensively used by armed personnel, home guards, police, NCC and civil personnel. Health consciousness. These are utilized for jogging, aerobic exercises. These shoes are popular amongst students and children. Shoes are made of canvas cloth. The shoe upper is of canvas while the base is molded rubber. Its cheapness as well as its comfort is the main reasons for its popularity. And next point is market. Demand for canvas from footwear for manufacturing canvas shoes. Low production cost and low maintenance is expected to drive market growth. Demand for canvas for manufacturing products including backpacks, handbags, electronic device cases is anticipated to market growth. And next point is raw materials. The major raw materials used in the production of canvas shoes are canvas fabrics, lining and rubber sole. Although there is a domestic production of canvas shoes, the bulk of the country's requirement is met for import. And next point is what are canvas shoes? Canvas is a coarse cloth material, COARSE, coarse cloth material, made of hemp that is used in a number of things including sails, tents, boards and shoes. The canvas shoe is very basic from of casual shoe or sneaker. It is constructed very simply with a canvas upper and a rubber sole. And next point is how do you wear canvas shoes? Chinos pair well with canvas boat shoes for a classic smart casual look. Shorts, swim shorts, denim shorts or jersey shorts all go perfectly with canvas shoes. One surefire pairing is an old school pair of canvas high tops and white sports socks. And next point is what kind of paint do you use on canvas shoes? Applying a thin layer of gesso will allow better adhesion between the canvas and the paint and also prevent cracking. Acrylic paint brands we recommend are Sargent Art, Golden Artist Colors and Liquidex. You can find them at any art store. And next point is the major raw materials in the production of canvas shoes are canvas fabrics, lining and rubber sole. This is the information regarding canvas shoes. So canvas shoes is also very good and domestic shoes for using very well. So these are also important for regular life. Wishing you all the best.